स्मार्ट विजन या आपल्या एज्युकेशनल यूट्यूब चॅनलवरती तुमच्या सर्वांचं मनापासून स्वागत। या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण इंडस्ट्री 4.0चा टॉपिक ऑगमेंटेड रियालिटी किंवा व्हर्च्युअल रियालिटी यावरती काय महत्त्वाचे MCQ क्वेश्चन पाहणार आहोत। तर हा टॉपिक सुद्धा सर्व ग्रुपसाठी कॉमन आहे। तर व्हिडिओला स्टार्ट करूयात। आपला पहिला क्वेश्चन आहे, अ फील्ड ऑफ टेक्नॉलॉजी दॅट डील्स विथ अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ रियल वर्ल्ड अँड द डाटा जनरेटेड फ्रॉम कम्प्युटर इज ऑप्शन ए ML, option B AI, option C AR, option D IoT. Correct answer is option number C AR म्हणजे augmented reality. Next question, explanation आहे याचं। AR that is augmented reality is a field of technology that deals with a combination of real world and the data generated from computer. Next, AR is interactive in real time. True or false? Option A is correct. AR is interactive in real time. This sentence is true. Thus, a statement is true. Augmented reality is the field of computer research that deals with the combination of real world and computer generated data. Next question, technologies that completely involve a user inside a synthetic environment. Option A AR, option B VR, option C AI, option D ML. Correct answer is option number B VR. Explanation, the answer is VR or virtual reality. VR technologies are known for immersing a user inside a synthetic environment. While immersed, the user cannot see the real world around him. Next, technologies that allow the user to see the real world with virtual objects composited in the real world. Option A AR, option B VR, option C AI, option D SR. Correct answer is option number A. Augmented reality means AR allows a user to see real world with virtual objects superimposed or composited with the real world. Next, a dash is a display device worn on head as a part of helmet that has a small display optic. Option A HD, option B MD, option C HMD, option D ARD. Correct answer is option number C HMD. HMD is the head mounted display worn on head as a part of helmet that has a small display optic. HTC Vive, Samsung Gear VR are examples of HMDs available today. Next, wearable computing device in the form of computerized eyeglasses. Option A HMD, option B helmets, option C smart glasses, option D VR glasses. Correct answer is option number C smart glasses. Smart glasses are also called as optical head mounted display means OHMD. It has the capability of reflecting projected images as well as allowing user to see through it. Next, a tracking based on geolocation information. Option A location based, option B markerless, option C marker based, option D GPS. Correct answer is option number A location based. Location based tracking is based on geolocation information obtained from devices location sensors. Examples are longitude, latitude, altitude. Next, SLAM stands for option A simultaneous localization and mapping, option B system localization and mapping, option C simultaneous localization and maintenance, option D system localization and maintenance. Correct answer is option number A simultaneous localization and mapping. Explanation is SLAM is abbreviated for simultaneous localization and mapping. It is a technique used by robots and autonomous vehicles to build a map within the unknown environment. Next question, a technique that enables light field which is generally the product of a light source scattered of objects. Option A, AES. Option B, holography. Option C, cryptography. Option D, geography. Correct answer is option number B, holography. Explanation is holography enables a light field. It is to be recorded and later reconstructed when the original light field is no longer present. Next question, a dash dash can be recorded using a normal light source. Option A, holograph. Option B, photography. Option C, holography. Option D, photograph. Correct answer is option number D, photograph. Explanation is a photograph can be captured using a normal light source. A laser is required to record a hologram. Next question, HMD stands for option A, head mounted display. Option B, head mask display. Option C, head made display. Option D, head mounted detection. Correct answer is option number A, head mounted display. It stands for head mounted display, a kind of stereo display with two miniature screens and depth perception. Next question, boom means BOOM stands for option A, binocular omni orientation manager. Option B, binary omni orientation manager. Option C, binocular omni orientation monitor. Option D, binary omni orientation monitor. Correct answer is option number C. BOOM stands for binocular omni orientation monitor. It is a type of stereoscopic display guidance of the box by the users. Next question, a term for illusion or immersion by projecting stereo images on the walls and floor of a room. Option A, CAVE. Option B, BOOM. Option C, GUI. Option D, HMD. Correct answer is option number A. CAVE means CAVE is the term. CAVE stands for CAVE Automation Virtual Environment. Next question, it is a mediated environment which creates the sensation in a user of being present in a physical surrounding. Option A, WWW. Option B, VR. Option C, HMD. Option D, GUI. Correct answer is option number B, VR. Explanation is VR or virtual reality is a mediated environment which creates the sensation in a user of being present in a surrounding. Next question, a term to describe the extent to which a user can modify form and content of mediated environment. Option A, vividness. Option B, richness. Option C, interactivity. Option D, mapping. Correct answer is option number C, interactivity. Explanation, interactivity is the extent to which a user can modify form and content of a mediated environment. It comprises speed and mapping. Next question, a type of VR environment in which subjects are visually isolated from the real environment. Option A, immersive. Option B, semi-immersive. Option C, non-immersive. Option D, augmented. Correct answer is option number A, immersive. Explanation, in immersive VR, subjects are visually isolated from the real environment. A virtual scene is responding to the subject's actions. Next, in this type of VR environment, the three-dimensional scene is considered as a part of the physical environment. Option A, immersive. Option B, semi-immersive. Option C, non-immersive. Option D, augmented. Correct answer is option number C, non-immersive. This happens in non-immersive virtual environment. Also, the subjects do fully respond in the real environment.